Alright guys, giving you guys a little update on my lunch break here while I'm cooking some ramen. Surprise, surprise. So I had this thing covered in blue tape, which was right here. So I had this thing totally covered in blue tape, marked it all up, center line of the center of the box, which was about 12 inches, and then the other center, because it's a square, was another 12 inches. And then from there, I'll show you the blueprint over here in a second. So off the center mark, I measured to the center of each of these squares, which is I lost them. I have the things over here somewhere. Anyways, I'll show you those devices here in a second. So those devices are centered from the edge of that, and then from there, I made a center mark from there, and then centered off of that. Picked a number about, I think this was like inch and 3/8 off the center. Same over here, inch and 3/8 off the center of the screw holes. So that's how I got all this squared up. This is kind of crappy cut right here using a jigsaw. So it started walking on me. But anyways, I'll show you what all that looks like. Here is the jigsaw right here with the jigsaw blade. And the other things I'm looking for, I'm not sure where they're even at. But here are the prints, the devices there, and these are going to be control buttons. Some kind of buttons, I'm not sure. I don't know why I said control, but some kind of cabinet here. So, and then there's going to be a door handle up here. I have to find the other pieces. So here's all the stuff that's going inside of it. Don't really know what any of this stuff is. Some kind of maybe transformers, some kind of transformers, ice cube transformers over there. So we'll see what that's all about shortly. By the end of the day, we'll see how far I get. And then I'm mounting a some kind of horn over here. I don't even know what it's called, but it's over here. So I'm mounting this on the side of it. I think it's a horn or something like that. So I'm gonna just punch it out with this. And then if I have to notch it for this bolt right here, I can do that. And then I have to drill 4 holes to mount it, either tap it or just put a bolt through all of it, and then a bolt on the back, screw through it, or bolt on the back. I'm saying all this wrong, I'm sorry. But here's the hardware for that. You got kind of like your machine screw right there, and then your back piece right there. Tie that together. And I really am confused where these two things went. So this is what it looks like right here. So I get that all together. So that goes right on there. And then I just put more nuts on the back of that to hold it to the front of it. Put the other one right here. So that's what I've been working on the first half of the day. And yeah, inside the panel shop here, so pretty sweet, nice and warm. So yeah, that's what I've been working on so far, and we'll see where I get at the end of the day. Alright guys, so continuing on, got this stuff strapped in. I think these are one of these a little bit crooked, which can be adjusted later because there's room for that. But as of right now, I just got it strapped down. Punched all these out. I don't remember where I was at earlier in the video. Punched all these out, notched all these with a notcher. Coworker threw one of these in, so I have to put all those buttons in, and the plates, and then some plaques. Cleaned all this out in here with the rainbow, whatever that's called, some grease remover. So cleaned this all out. Got the side of this horn put in. Punched that out with a 3-inch, I think, punch. Had to do that by hand on stainless steel. That was fun. That was a workout. Got these mounted in the backside there. And then moving over here to the inside, working on this, laying all this panduit out. So laying all these out, got these ready, marked out, and I got those drilled out, ready for screws and tapped. Drilled it with the tap, so it's drilled and tapped. So that's ready for 832 screws to mount this down to the board. If you look over here at the prints, this is what it's going to look like. Got one going up and down, second one going up and down, then 3 going sideways, 1, 2, 3. So got these 3 done, that one, and then I don't really have one long enough for the middle one yet. So then I got all the pieces going in here, which are all of these right here. So that's pretty cool. So working on that, making sure everything fits on the bar, which is right here, 19 inches. Everything just barely squeezes on there. So I went ahead and laid all these out, and this one as well, except these 2 are missing right here, so I'm gonna wait on that. And then you got this big boy right here, which is this black one, which is really heavy. And then this right here, which is this one right here. So anyways, just gonna finish mounting this stuff tomorrow, putting in the buttons, working on the handle tomorrow, and then have to wire all this up. So I'll have to look at the diagram, which I've never done before, which is the next page over. If I can flip it here real quick. No, that's not it. So it's gonna be this one right here, all these line diagrams. So I'll have to, someone's gonna walk me through that, how to wire all this stuff up. So that'll be fun, but it's a pretty fun, chill day. And like I said, maybe I didn't say it, but drilling these took forever. Just going with a 1/2-inch carbide. Stainless steel just takes forever to cut. And there was a whole bunch of grease in here, like I said, clean that up real nice, so that turned out really nice. And that's pretty much it, what I've been doing all day. Just knocking all these holes out, cutting this with a jigsaw, the squares out, punched this right there, mounted that, and then working on laying out this board over here for the internals. So yeah, that's what I did today. All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Had to delete a whole bunch of stuff from my phone to save this video, so don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed, and hit that subscribe button to see more content and support the channel. I'd appreciate it. If you're wondering why I titled the video the way that I did, it is because I was wearing my orange hoodie from my old company, and my boss was like, what are you doing? Why are you wearing that? And then he gave me a new hoodie. It's like I already had one, but I forgot it at home because it's just a habit to grab whatever, the orange one, because I've been doing that for like a 1.5 years. So anyways, he wasn't like thrilled about it, but it didn't seem like a big deal, but I was like, ugh. So anyways, he gave me another hoodie and told me not to wear the other one again. So anyways, that was fun. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a fun day. And try not to be worried about tomorrow or anxious, but doing some new things tomorrow, trying to make it look good and get it done in a timely fashion. But I think everything went well today, and they said I was doing a good job, so that's good. Anyways, check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Might do a live stream later. Just went grocery shopping, so I got back super late. That's why the upload is late. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.